Hello guys, welcome back to the next video in this series. So in the last video we created a graphic component and this graphic component is a children of this graphics layer. So now in this video what we'll be doing is we will be actually creating we're passing props to this component and we'll be actually rendering the point and the polyline polygon, so using this component graphic here. So what we have to do here is the first step I will be doing here is let's remove this code from here uh, because we will be passing the, if we look at our graphic class here, it's taking two properties. Okay, one is the geometry and second one is a symbol. So what we can do is we will be passing this geometry and symbol for a point, polyline, and polygon. So let's remove this code and we'll be creating a new point and polyline and polygon. And then the next step is to like create, because this graphic component will be accepting the props. The props will be geometry and symbol. So let's give here props. So what I'm doing is I'm destructuring it. One way to access the props is like this, and then we can do something like props.geometry, or we can destructure it also. So like let's say geometry is my props here. So I can destructure it like this. Okay, from the props, and then I can use this geometry. But what I will be doing is I will be directly destructuring it here, and this is our first props, and second one is the symbol. Okay, and because these are the same, like this geometry and symbol, so they have the same name. So what we can do is we can actually remove this and just we can use the name like this, geometry and symbol, so it will automatically understand this reference here. Okay, and we will also be removing actually let's move this to the other component, which is our app component here, and I will move it here. Okay, the color point, simple line symbol, and marker symbol. Okay, so now here so we can see here we created props, like make our component graphic to accept the props for geometry and symbol. So here I will be passing this component, this props. Okay, one is geometry and second is symbol. Okay, so now if we come to our application, it's giving some error. So I have one example open here, and from here I will be using this reference for this point, line, okay, and this polygon. So if we go down a little, and here's the point, okay, I will just copy this code from here, and we will use it here, point, okay, and okay, it's giving us some. Okay, for this one, okay, we will see it now. And the second one is we'll be creating a marker symbol. So I will just copy this code here also, and let's move it here. Okay, so now we have our like point and marker symbol. So let's get a pass this point here, and for symbol we will be passing this marker symbol. Okay, let's save it and see if it's working or not. Okay, so I will refresh the application. Okay, it will actually zooming to the default location which we have before. All right, so now we go here and we can see our point here which we just created. So if we come back to our code here, so you can see here this comment autocast as new point. So this is the one way to do creating the point. Okay, so instead of using something like new point like this, we can actually do this also. So like instead of calling this class from here, and we can just directly say here type of this point. Okay, so it's the point is the class. Okay, the type of this coordinates that we are creating here. Okay, so we have here the points, and the same way we can do here is like we are just giving the type simple marker. If we look here, simple marker symbol is actually a class here. We can also use this class. And then the second one is this for simple line symbols. When we are giving this outline, it's understanding, okay, this is a line symbol, and for this one it's giving the color and the width. So if I increase the width, the size of the point, like the width, it will increase, and we will see a bigger point on the map. Okay, so this one is done for the point. Now the next one is to we have to do is a polyline and a polygon. So for this one, I will quickly just copy these examples from here, and okay, so let's come here and paste it here. So one is for polyline, the second is the line symbol. Okay, and then we need for the polygon. So this polygon is actually representing the Bermuda Triangle on the map. So if you come down here, this is our yeah, this is for polygon. Okay, and now we are done till here. Now I will explain a little about this, like the difference between the point. So point is just representing the coordinates on a map, okay? And for polyline, it consists of array, which contains these parts. So like it's starting from this one longitude value, and this is the latitude, okay? The same way, like it could be multiple more and more. So it will depends like how big the line is going to be. Okay, and then if we come to the polygon, in polygon it consists of rings. Okay, so if we look at this here, uh, this picture or this graphic, so it's starting from one point, it goes to the second, then third, and it comes to the fourth point, which is the initial point. Okay, and it's creating like a triangle here. Okay, so if we look also here, it's starting and ending is the same. So the same coordinates, like where it's starting from, it will end at the same coordinates. Okay. Okay, now we have this here. So now we will be doing is, I will just quickly create here because we are creating this multiple, like for one full point, line, and polygon. So we are using the same component. We created this graphic component, and now we are using the same component, but we are passing it the different values. Okay, so here I will be giving this polyline. Okay, and here we will be giving our polygon, and here also we need to call the symbol for this. So this one is for line, okay, and fill symbol. This one is for polygon. So now if we go back to our application, we should be able to see all these point and polygon, and also this okay, let's refresh this. Why it's not creating this polygon? So yeah, now it's working fine. Okay, so we can see here our point. This is a line we created. Okay, and this is our triangle or this polygon we created. Okay, so this is example of like how we can use the, like we created this graphic component, and because we were talking before in React, when we create components, they are reusable. So now we are reusing this component using this props value. So we are passing the values differently for props, okay, but the component it's same. So this is how we are creating these different graphic on the map. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video. And in the next video, we will be looking at like we'll be creating this like we could create utils or something like this for point and polyline and polygon. So like this we did for this map view and scene view, we can do the same for this, and from there we can call this utils, and it will create us for point, polyline, or polygon, whatever we want. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.